paper crafting, diamond painting bright. Glitter spills on every hall and stack. Can't find the floor, but I'm on the right track. At Diana Loves Colors, let's explore. Diana Loves Colors.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors. Thank you everyone who came to watch today. I appreciate that. And welcome to my new subscribers and my friends. I welcome you back. So today I have an unboxing from FEELOOK Art. And I've done a number of these unboxings for FEELOOK Art. And I appreciate them sending me another one that I can review and show to you guys. So this is the box. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that, because I think a lot of you have seen it, but it's a very strong box, very sturdy. Came inside another box, so very well protected. This is their name and their logo, and there's another logo there. On the back of the box, we have some steps to teach you how to do it and what it includes, their guarantee, and also a choking hazard for kids and animals. Don't let them near it. So I just wanted to point that out. We also have a picture of the artwork here, and this is called Candlelight and Roses. It is approximately the drill size, 19.5 inches by 25 inches. So I'm going to take everything out, and while I'm doing that, I want to tell you about the artist that made this diamond painting possible. Her name is Tabz Jones, and she's a professional artist who has been an artist for many years. She says ever since she could remember, and she works in a lot of different mediums. Besides this, she does painting, drawing, beadwork and jewelry, soap and perfume making, and she's a writer. She is just very creative and artistic lady. So she likes to do fantasy art, and you'll see that in her artwork at FEELOOK Art, because she has 4 new releases that show her artwork. It's a very Gothic style of artwork. So they give you this little booklet with more instructions and some tips for you. Everything's included. You can put your start and end date there on that if you want to. Here's their artist trading card. I think they're very nice to include this, and you could put it in a binder for all the diamond paintings that you do, or a logbook or whatever. So there it is, Candlelight and Roses. And I think if you scratch that off, there's a discount code there. And speaking of discount codes, I have an affiliate link and code. It will be in the description box, and I'll put it across the screen so that you can see that. So the canvas is a short lint canvas. It's very soft but sturdy, and it has scalloped edges, and you can see the little holes that are poked through here, I hope. So I'm going to roll this backwards and get the drills out of here. Let's see, what else can I tell you now about this?
I wonder what I'll make for supper.
Well, I've got the toolkit open, so I wanted to show you that you get a nice pen. It's a single placer. It already has preloaded wax in it. If you want to use that. We have a very sharp pair of angled tweezers. Yeah, they're pretty pointy. Nice ones, though. And we have a set of baggies of, I think, 20 or 30. And a white tray. Is another white tray. Another bag of baggies, and here's a set of cartridges that go in that pen for when you run out. And these stickers they give you, if you kit up in boxes, you can put just the number on your box and follow that on the legend, or I'm going to show you something new. Here's another picture of the artwork and the name, Candlelight and Roses, the size and everything. And you get a set of these labels that go on your boxes, and they have the number that's on like here and the legend, but it also has the symbol and the DMC code, and that's how I kit up on my boxes. So that is really a nice new extra that they're doing, and I appreciate that. Okay, let me put this away, and then we can get on to the diamond painting itself. But I want to show you the nice set of drills that are here, and we'll take a closer look at those too. All right, let's unroll our diamond painting. So at the bottom here is the name of the artwork and size again. Oh my goodness, and they put the name of the artist on here, and I am so glad that they did that. I had written to them and asked them to do that. There were people that were saying that they weren't licensed artwork, and I begged to differ because I would never have been an affiliate if they weren't, because they're a premium company. They support artists. I know they do, but some people were grumbling and saying that. So I'm so happy to see her name on her artwork. All right, so down here, they have their social media places again, and over here is about the canvas, handle with care. Oh, made with care. Sorry about that. So you can see the legend that is coming up on this side here. And we have letters, numbers, symbols. Letters, numbers, symbols. Yep. So I'm going to unroll the whole thing because I think it'll be easier for you to see. Let's go this way and we'll look at the art from the top to the bottom. But here is the two legends, left and right. And let's check the sticky while we're up here. And I like it. So I think this might be my Halloween canvas that I'm going to do. So on either side they have this, it looks like the corners of picture frames, but they did it in black. And there's a candlestick here. This is, I think that's another one there. They have the big moon in the back. Here comes her face. She has her eyes closed. Looks like she has some kind of hairpiece in her hair. Yes, she does. So I don't know what it is yet, but it does. It almost looks like a spider. All right, so moving down, we have a candlestick, and now you're getting to see her hair, and it has a lot of very dark drills. I'm assuming that's 310 because that's why I picked it. It's my favorite drill. It looks like she's crying a little bit there. I hope not. But you can see these red roses coming up now here. Big candlestick. And I can't tell if these are red or pink, but they look more red. And we'll find out when we look at the drills. And I am not seeing any ABs in the legend here. So we'll take a look though. But that's okay. I can always add my own. And you guys shouldn't be afraid either to do that. And even if you don't have the exact DMC, you can substitute something that is close in color and do it that way. Because it's your canvas, you can do whatever you want. So we're just going to go through the colors real quick. Let's see. Let's be in frame. Red, blue. Ooh, look at all the black coming. 1, 2, 3, 4 big bags of black 310. We have like a dusty blue color there. Yellow. A little bit orange. A little peach. That might go in her face. Right? Okay, another peachy color. That looks gray. Green. Pinky red. Some more green, 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 orange, and maroon. And here comes some, like, dark red. That's pretty. I think those are the same. And then we have a peach color, a little bit of a lighter peach color. These are very dark blues. And that is like a greenish blue, maybe. And we have brown, brown, and that is a very dark, I'll say, type of green. Some type of green. Wow, there's a lot of drills in here. There's 46 colors in this diamond painting. So we have orange. Ooh, that's a pretty blue there. Another blue. And then we have very dark green. Another green. These look like black, but they're not. They are, yep, blue. Very dark blue. A lot of that. And a brown. And I think last, almost last. Uh-oh, there was one behind the desk, of course. Alright. We have that, like, kind of mulberry color. Kind of gray, brown. Another, like, sea blue. Another blue. Pretty yellow. Another blue. Orange, blue, brown. And lastly, we have this bright white and that bag of brown. Alright, I'm going to pause the video and go get those drills. So now that I've got this all corralled back in here, almost in order, I did take off a 814 here. So we're going to take a look at the drills, which are round, by the way, and I'm happy about that. Now, this is what you call trash, if you can see that. And you can just save all those little weird pieces so you see what you got at the end. That's why I do it. And I'll still have probably more than enough drills. Oh, they're so sparkly. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I forgot to turn the light on in this room, I just noticed. And those are going in the flowers. In all different places. Like here. There's a little sideways triangle. Yep. In the flowers. So, beautiful drills. I think they are resin. Which I wouldn't care if they were or weren't. So I'm going to try to put this up safely. And remember to close it up with a piece of tape. Or it'll be all over the place, right? So I want to thank you all for being here to watch this unboxing. And if you have any questions about diamond painting at all, my email is in the description box and I'd be happy to help you. I've pulled a couple of people over to the dark side in my time. So I do not mind questions. I sure ask enough of them myself. So also, please use my affiliate link and code in the description box to save 10%. I might make a small commission, but I'll put that right back into the channel and for giveaways or for shipping a giveaway or something like that, or something, maybe just something that you want to see. So thank you all very much, and stay tuned for an update to this video. I might be able to show you some progress on this. I got a couple of big things going right now that I have to do, but I'll definitely do another video soon. So thank you, FEELOOK Art, for giving me the opportunity to show your product on my channel. I'm so very happy to see the artist's name on the canvas. That leaves no one in doubt. And the name of the, what is the name of the licensing group? It's like Oh, I forget. I'll put it in the description box though, and you can also find their website there. So there are 4 new releases, four new releases in this in Tabz Jones series here, and I'm so glad to see it. Like I said, I'll put this to my Halloween this year. So thanks, guys. I'll see you next time with something new.